Well, this is the second one for Koackl or Koackl, whatever you want to call it. I did the black one. We'll do the green one now. I think it's the truth. It's Jesus. I'm not going to go on a big thing because I did a review on this already, but just look. It's like a 6-7 inch flame. Yeah. And every time you click it, it's gonna light. Not gonna have to play click, 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 click game just to get it to go on. And this is, I got torches like this that are a year and a half old, still work the same way. I'll do a commercial for free, chicken.
What I like about this torch, well, worked on the first shot. Its adjustability is really nice range. There's all the way low, there's all the way high. It locks perfectly, unlocks easily. The only thing I don't like, it's a little bit tall, so it makes it a tiny bit tippy. I do love this gauge. Gauge tells you exactly how much gas is left. Looks like I'm a little bit over half. So there you go. Nicest torch I've had so far. Great price.
Your attitude's not going to stand very well. And she's like, immediately to a manager.